Ebi byagamba urukuru kuteza karuru mu kibiina kya NRM Dr. Tango Doi obu yabanaganiraho n'abanyamahurire ari plot 13 Kyadondo muri Kampala ngo bwahati bahereze kusindika abantu babo kubasa kuba nibakwata omuntu wena uri enyuma y'ekikora ky'okushohoza Rigesita z'abatezi b'akaruru eze bishobobo.
You must identify yourself with the national ID, but if you don't have, and NIRA has given you even a paper, identify you with it. If you don't have, the village committee sitting there will identify you.
Doctor, we are told that in Rwanda, Honorable Musasizi is buying those IDs allegedly that he gave.
I want to warn Honorable Musasizi, if your rumor is correct. This report has said, Honorable Musasizi, you are buying identity cards. I want to warn you. You are my very good friends. Very good, we are very good friends. But this is now a job.
Ogu yayongera agira ngo akaruru aka n'akabantu ba burijo kandi tiine kitongole kyona eky'amahe ninga minisita oba omuntu wena oyine orusa kandi ng'okubara akaruru oku kwine kuba kuri omu rurimi orw'abantu barikucenga gye.
The district election officers or the registrars are in charge of the election. And they are the returning officer on behalf of the commission. Not the chairperson of NRM at the district. Not a minister, a political guru at the district.
Aba bayongera bagira ngo tiine muntu wena oyine orusa kurangira ebirabe birigira omu karuru okwihaho abo abarabe bahirwe orusa bonka.
The district election officers or the registrars are in charge of the election. And they are the returning officer on behalf of the commission. Not the chairperson of NRM at the district. Not a minister, a political guru at the district. The only person who will declare the final results in this election is the district election officer or registrar.
Yashobora yagira ngo ebirarwa mu karuru ha district nibija kurangirwa registrar wa district ahabwa NRM kandi yashaba ngo buri muntu wena wine agent kubaha ebaruha ezo kukakasa ngo niwe yatuma.
Candidates should appoint agents. Written letters appointing agents. If someone comes to claim he's an agent of so and so and takes a declaration form, we shall be liable. So we request you to write your letters to the district election officer indicating the names of your agents.
Abantu 28 abahamibwe kandi abakuza kutererwa karuru abantu 23 nibo bonka bataragarize empapura okuhamibwa kandi yahamya nkoku buri district eri kuza kurara efunire ebikoresa.
We have dispatched all the required items for the election. The registers have reached their destinations except few districts. And the few districts are especially those around Kampala. The one to Wakiso, the one to Masaka. Masaka has been dispatched.
Gashaka Ronald Ngabiran.